The customer can order and purchase new services online or extend the existing services that are about to expire using the Škoda Connect portal. The customer is always informed prior to service expiration. If any service has expired, its validity can be extended by clicking on the tile of the relevant service. If not, the service can be extended as follows. Select User Profile, Garage, and then Order Extension. The customer then selects the service to be extended and confirms it by clicking on the Add to Cart button. The cart contents will be displayed. The next step is filling out the invoice details, which are primarily taken over from the portal. The last but one step is choosing a payment method. The customer can pay by wire transfer or by card. In case of a card payment, the services are activated immediately. In case of a wire transfer, the services are activated once the sum is credited to the Škoda Auto account. The order summary is displayed as the last step of the process. To send it, the customer must approve the terms and conditions. Then the customer receives an email confirming the order. As soon as the services are activated, the customer receives an email about the activation together with an invoice.